Hey, what's going on? I'm Jeff Powe. I'm from Detroit, Michigan. I've been playing drums for about 25 years now. I started at a very young age, started in church, and from then on, I just kept playing and kept going, kept at it. Currently, I'm playing for a few bands. I play for Laura Rain and the Caesars. I'm also a member of C3 and Third Generation Band, as well as a band that I put together myself. And we're all right here from the city of Detroit. Right here I have the Collision 5A Stealth Drumstick. And what I like about this stick is the length of it. It's a very lengthy. I feel like it's a little bit longer than the average and a little bit longer than what I'm used to playing for. So when I found this stick, I fell in love with it because it makes it easier for me to play. It makes me easier for me to hit the drums, and I don't really have to work hard, like reach far. Another good quality about this stick is the durability of it. It lasts a very long time. My first pair, I think, lasted for a little bit over a month, and for me that's pretty good because I play a lot of times out of the month, so it was good for me to have this stick. 3 things I like about the Collision brand. First off, just like the management and the administration. Everybody there is friendly, they're easy to talk to. They're very on top of everything. When you contact them, they'll get right back with you. So they're very urgent. Another thing I like about them is the quality of their drumstick. Like I said, it's very durable. It lasts you for a long time, and it's not a bad price for them either at all. And the last thing, I would just say, being a part of the Collision family is it's a family. I've met a lot of other Collision artists. I've reached out to them. It's a very large network. So I feel like it's beneficial for me to reach out to the other musicians and be a part of this company to further my musicianship. The song I'm gonna play, this is a song called Sweet Funky. It is an original tune by my brother Joshua Powe and myself. So I hope you enjoy.